Okay, let me test the sound a bit. Make sure that I can hear myself. Okay, I can. So that should be good. Now I'll just copy the URL into a couple places and then we can get started again. So one of them is, of course, Patreon. Livestream. And Livestream. Public post, and there we go. And then another one here. Okay, let's get going. We had a couple interesting ideas last week, and we're going to be seeing if those have played out since then. I made a recent video on DXY. If you're interested in that, you can find that on Counter and Capitals video or channel on YouTube. But that was about DXY in short summary. A couple of different variations here, which most likely are leading to the downside, as long as we don't take out this high over here. Yeah, that's that. Simple. Let's go through the indices first. See if we can find anything here. We are getting kind of drastic move to the downside. I wonder if this is enough for a wave 2 already for this idea of being a 1-2. It's such a shallow retracement though. I'm not really liking it. I'm not short yet, and I don't think I will be going long on this one either if this is again dropping the same way it looks like it is going down at the moment. Similar idea here, but again at this point this doesn't really seem too good. It might be that one of these are potentially placed wrong, because this again seems like right place. So maybe this is like a 1-2, 1-2, or again that diagonal that we were talking about. A couple of different variations. I feel like this might be that third here, maybe fourth here, and then again third, fourth, and fifth. Looking for one more down. Can't really catch that at the moment, but we just gotta wait for this. Again, nothing really gave out a good looking structure in here that would allow me to go long or short. Nothing really fit the idea here that we had a three-way structure ended at this top, so I don't really like that yet. Again, we're looking for a impulse move to the upside for wave 4. We had that, looking for potentially that fifth wave, and then another rise to the upside. We'll see if we can get an ABC structure up, and then we can again short, or even play the B wave if that structure over here is impulsive. But for now, we just got to be patient. Same here on RTY. I don't really like this anymore as a 5 wave, so I'm not going to be looking for a long setup here. At the moment, I feel like this is the only structure that we have that is actually tradable, where this is a ABC here. If it holds still these lows, kind of want me to go long against the low, very low probability, very low stop loss or very tight stop loss. But I don't really like to play it, because again there is multiple different ways of how that plays out, and the other indices are not saying that we have any kind of support here where we are currently at, so I don't really like that too much. Let's see the other ones. So Tesla, extended trading hours are giving us, again we had this area here, 1.382 was tagged, and that was for the wave Y, or some kind of three-way structure. We're looking for, again, these divergences be falling out. We got that last leg for that potential diagonal, and on extended trading hours we did get this move here that resembles a lot like far-away move. We did get down almost to the 40s, but never got quite there. It might be that we are just creating a wave 4 already. I was thinking about going long here as a possibility against this low. It would have looked like it would have been playing out very nicely. The idea behind that was that we potentially had a three-way structure here already for a wave 4, or this one as a wave 4, and this would have been a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The issue with that, the only issue with that was that we had an expanded flat here on wave 2. It never got invalidated, which is fine. The extensions were quite long, so that's why I did not like it. But yeah, looks like it would have been playing out decently well. Again, TP1 would have been here. But yeah, that's that. Meta looks like it is crashing down a bit. We had this sideways consolidation, and now we actually had a move, which is lagging some other stocks. Last week we had that kind of crashing structure previous, but now Meta seems to be in that place as well. So some kind of earnings, it was both positive, and we still got the crash here. Yeah, who knows, dude. Whatever. Potentially some kind of diagonal play here, however you want to be labeling that. At the moment, I don't think this is still too extended for a wave C. He is preferring the third wave already here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So gotta be keeping that in mind. If we retrace into like 50% of this, I want to be knowing, because at that point again, we're getting closer to the invalidation of this idea where this could still be an ABC to the downside. Or if we have already created this kind of structure, we could be creating a three-way structure to the upside where I want to go short here. Baba didn't have anything. We had this Netflix crashing down, I think. Oh, look at that. This invalidates everything on extended trading hours. Regular, we just had this massive dump. These are kind of annoying. I think this would have to be wave 4, wave 5 here, wave 3, 4, and 5. But again, extended trading hours had that spike here that took out the whole structure. So I'm not quite sure which one I like. This idea for Coinbase, I went long on this one, but doesn't look too good. The reason why I went long was this 3-wave, but now this looks more like a 3-wave as well here, whichever way you'll be labeling it, from here on these pivots or from these pivots. So not really looking too hot. Let's see. Yeah, not really too good. I'll probably set my stop loss at break even on this one. Well, actually, I want to be known at least if we break this low. I actually have that alert there already. Which at that point it is very... I don't think it is really probable if we break this low here that at all. Because this really looks like a 3-wave structure. Oh well, Apple actually going up. We had the idea of having this as a fifth wave. It's not certain that wave 4 is even over, but again, if we come up, we want to be knowing that, having still that alert there. Ooh, Amazon is taking a dump. Yeah, we just gotta wait for structure to happen before doing anything. ABC, we had a couple more lows on ARC before a potential low of some sort. Still expecting low to be made. I think this wave 4 might be over. A couple more lows, I think, into somewhere around 40s would be my guess. This area here has been previously a very decent area for support and resistance. Bounces on all over the place, so maybe that is an area still to be looking at, or still to be looked at. This turned out more into a three-way structure than a triangle. Doesn't still invalidate the idea that this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 upwards. But yeah, not really something that I would want to trade. Microsoft gapped down. That's kind of scary. I think markets are going to be bleeding today. Only couple stocks on my list are actually up. Tesla, no, it's just mocking me. Oh well. Nvidia, this got invalidated, so it's something else. Maybe some kind of diagonal here at the start. Might be. I wouldn't be playing on that. Bank of America. This looks very much like an impulsive structure. We never got that last leg down. Maybe this is just an ABC. We already tagged the highs here, so it might be that this is some kind of 5. Let's see the extended trailing hours. Very small time frame here. I mean, I kind of want to know if we get another one of these legs downwards, something like this. So I'll set my alert below the current low here, around 205.40. AMD, still looking for potentially that last leg downwards. Are we getting closer to anything here? We never got that trade opportunity for that wave 2, so I think we just gotta be playing the higher time from here. Yeah, it's still to the downside here. 132. Going through these kind of quickly. Let's check out some of these. Okay, these are presenting something here. Gold. We had a potential 3 wave here. It might be that this is a 5 and we're still wave 4. Similar to silver. Let's see which one of them is more bullish. I mean, this looks like 3. This looks like 3 as well. And it doesn't even extend into anything. Yeah. So that is not very bullish. Is this bullish? No, it's not. Again, we had that ABC here. We definitely can go correctively up. I'll set, probably want to be going on both if you want to be trading it, I probably would be going on both against the low, but with small positions. And then see if that works out at all. If we take out these lows again, they can be wave 4s. Oil. This looks like a 3-wave up, so not interested. Natural gas is so choppy. And it's still creating higher lows from these. Higher low, and whatever this is. It's still possible that we have bottomed on it. Here we can create some kind of triangle maybe. This kind of looks like it really likes these smaller time frame. So wave 4 was already done here, and then we got that move up. Let's see, what did we have higher time frame? Just massive. Doesn't make too much sense. Wow. Look at that. It's amazing. If you're still bullish, I mean, these are trading opportunities for those breakout traders. But I'm not one of those. I need to see structure. Those breakout trades are never good enough for me. I want to know the risk to reward ratios for all my trades. But we went through stocks and indices. Check out some crypto here. Now we still had this ABC coming down. Now today we've been bleeding a bit. This can be a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 to the downside though. So again, that is scary. We have not taken out the previous lows here, which is still kind of positive. Start as trying to fight previous structures still here. ETH, kind of similar. Doesn't have the greatest structure here, but we can't have a 1-2, 1-2 to the downside here, like in Bitcoin. So again, ETH is not as bearish. So we had ABC. Maybe this was and ended here. Some kind of running flat, but we didn't even take out the high, so that's truncated flat. I haven't been trading also recently too much because every time I try to enter something, it just doesn't work out. I feel like structures are not the best. And see if this loads up. Did trading view actually break? See, or did my internet break? I mean, I can still go to different websites. It's just trading view, I think. Oh, there we go. Now it's back. ABC for Phantom looks like to the downside. This looks really nice. Very proportionate looking. The structure, however, going up does not really fit too well for a continuation today of this. But as long as we don't take out this low here, this still can be a 1 2 1 2 or even an AB 1 2 3 4 5 to create an ABC here. As long as we hold this low here, 61.5 cents. I think that is the main scenario for most altcoins as well. SHIB was a bit more bullish here. But again, ABC fits even better there. I think that was the bull scenario that I presented. Yeah. Three-way of some sort. Here we have, like, I don't even know. This is so extended here on altcoins. This drop, like, it's super extended. We still have the chance that this is a way for summon. Kind of want to hold these lows. However, again, the extension looks like more like a 3 here. Oh, sorry, an ABC, which means that we would be covering to the downside instead. And as this is the high here, it's I guess it's possible to have an A, B, and C here with some kind of diagonal here. Just don't really want this to come too low. It's still already at the 38.2. How's uranium doing? 5. ABC. So expecting the structure to come down already. This looks like a 3-way down. That means it's not a C wave, at least starting from here. This can be a diagonal into the 5th, which I'm probably going to be labeling it as such. And if this is the start of something down, it could be that this is not done. Something like this. Then, but it's taking so long time in comparison to this first drop. It fits more into the being a B wave again. H-bar had a massive run, did you see that? But it never had like structurally 3s, 4s and 5s. I think we have to accept like these ones as a wave 4 and 5. And I don't know, this just looks like it might be the end or something, because this could be some kind of a diagonal. Super ugly. Is this even, is this lower? Let's see, 6 7 0 6 7 0 6 7 1. So this is actually lower than this. So it can't be a diagonal unless it starts from here. And this would be it. Oof. I mean, this would be the scenario if we take out this low that we had, 6.7 cents, this low here. That this is the continuation of that higher time frame. Oh boy, can't even show you the whole chart. Get rid of some of these mess. What did we have here? 3 wave or 5 wave? Yeah. If this is a 5 wave here, some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 wave pull back as an ABC, then we would be looking for another one of these to the downside. And this is leading us to here. Oh boy. Oh, ape. This is so weird that everything these coins had recovered, they basically lost already. 3-way structure here from October, and everything was lost in this kind of time, in 30 days. That they grinded up for what, 150, so 5 months. 1/5 of the time. Yeah, actually looks pretty decent overall here on higher time frame. Might be still in a wave 4 summon. Again, most of these coins still have this as an option. Divergence 1, divergence 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible to create one more high. I'm kind of hopeful still. But again, these are that 3-way structures that need to go up and not take out this low. And that is scary. I don't think I had any other requests on the chat for this week. So I'm probably going to be calling it short this week. And again, if you're interested in learning more Eliwave, check the course out on Udemy, Eliwave and RSI advanced course. And yeah, if you're interested in just the beginning or the start of Eliwave, check out the Patreon. And if you're interested in just getting signals, check us out on CanTrendCapital.com and see if that is something you would be interested in. Again, signals and other things in there. But yeah, that's all for now again. Thanks for watching and catch you next week. Bye bye.